Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Ulefone Armor X7 Pro, and let me share with you how to show the battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator and you'd like to see the exact percentage inside and the battery icon, or basically on the status bar, you have to enter the settings and localize the option battery. Let's tap on it. Then, as you can see, at the very bottom we've got this battery percentage option, which is of course in my case turned on. If you've got it turned off, simply tap on the switcher and the battery info will appear inside the battery icon. Unfortunately, in this device we do not have any other options to display the battery percentage, but still we've got it inside the battery icon. Of course you can turn it off the same way, it's up to you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.